Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today video title is guys how to set name password lock in a Samsung phone. Guys, you want to set guys name password lock in your Samsung phone. So guys you can set, and guys now let's see how to set name password lock in our Samsung phone guys. In this video guys I am going to show you friends how can you set guys name password lock in your Samsung phone. So before starting video guys I am going to tell you guys, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. So guys now time to start video. So first of all guys open your phone setting, then guys scroll it, guys click on your lock screen setting, then guys click on screen lock type guys, and guys you can see your password. So guys tap here, then guys we will enter our name password. So example for guys I will take my password, and guys don't do any mistake guys, okay friends. And okay, and guys you can first of all guys check your password, your spelling, okay friends. Then guys again continue same spelling guys. Then guys you can see we have this name lock guys, wait. So friends you can see we have this name lock. So friends we have this name lock. So guys we will use I will enter my name guys. You want to check, so as you can check from here. Done. So you can see guys we have this name password lock, and guys you can use guys your name password lock in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.